Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. This majestic building is set on a hill of a quarter-acre land and has magnificent views of the Sussex Valley and other nearby properties. It is located in Spur, Manchester. There is also a cool breeze caressing this masterpiece 6-bedroom, 5-bathroom mansion. There is also a self-contained 1-bedroom flat on the lower floor, with its own bathroom, living room, and kitchen, and can be entered through the enclosed garage or the veranda. The first floor has a large eating kitchen with island countertop and is located to the formal dining room. The first floor also has a master suite with massive his and hers walk-in closets, large bathroom, a magnificent living room, a gym, and a large laundry room. A spectacular spiral staircase leads to the second floor, which has a similar master suite and 2 other bedrooms that shares a bathroom. There is a balcony at the back of this floor and one to the front of the building. The property has 24 hours security. No reasonable price will be refused. Guys, let's take a look at this house. And please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is US $580,000 or Jamaican $89.2 million. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen, or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.